In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Calendar background theme. This is a great way to personalize your calendar according to your preferences and enhance your overall user experience. Let's start by looking into the built-in theme options Google Calendar offers. First, navigate to Google Calendar on your computer. Once you're there, look for the gear icon in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu where you'll want to select Appearance. Here, Google allows you to toggle between light mode and dark mode. You also have the option to set it to System Default, which means it will automatically adjust based on your device's settings. Selecting the right mode can make your calendar easier to view, depending on your lighting conditions and personal preference. Now, you might be thinking, what if I want more customization options? Well, while Google Calendar's built-in settings are somewhat limited, you can harness the power of browser extensions to make your calendar truly your own. Extensions are handy tools that can be added to your web browser to extend its functionality. One popular extension is Dark Reader. Using Dark Reader, you can enable a dark mode that not only looks sleek but also allows you to tweak brightness, contrast, and color settings. This can help reduce eye strain during long sessions of staring at your calendar. If you're interested in even more advanced tweaks, consider the Stylus extension or Midnight Lizard. These tools enable you to apply custom CSS, which is like giving your calendar a whole new wardrobe. You can add colorful backgrounds, gradients, unique fonts, or even change the entire layout to suit your taste. This level of customization can make your calendar feel like an extension of your personal style. Furthermore, if you have specific images in mind, certain extensions like Stylus can allow you to set custom background images. By utilizing CSS, you can create an immersive backdrop that transforms your calendar into something truly personalized. Imagine having your favorite landscape or artwork as the backdrop while you organize your week. This can make the usually mundane task of scheduling a bit more inspiring. That's it for today's tutorial on changing the background theme of your Google Calendar. We've explored both built-in options and browser extensions that unlock deeper customization capabilities. Whether you prefer a simple toggle between light and dark modes or wish to dive into CS customization, these tools offer a range of solutions to make your calendar work and look better for you. Thanks for tuning in and happy customizing.